Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to get Amazon Kindle Unlimited free trial. Alright, let's begin. First of all, open any type of preferred browser and search for Amazon.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the homepage. Now you want to go to the top left corner and click All. Inside it, go to the section where it says Kindle e-readers and books and access it. After that, look for this section in the middle which says Kindle Store, and go to the second option which is Kindle Unlimited. When we click on that, we will get taken to this page. Here, you will get a single offer of a free trial for 30 days. Simply, click on the Join Kindle Unlimited button and start your 30-day free trial. Now, if you don't cancel the trial, it will be renewed at $11.99 a month. So make sure to keep that in mind. So that's basically how you can get Amazon Kindle Unlimited free trial. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.